When you buy a Berkey system, it comes with a standard spigot. The stainless steel systems include a black BPA-free spigot, and the Berkey Light spigot is blue. Once you've received your system, it's important to properly install the spigot so it will work correctly. Here are the Berkey Spigot assembly instructions. First, carefully remove all plastic packaging and wash all the spigot parts in warm, soapy water. The parts included are one spigot, one beveled washer, one flat washer, and one hex nut. For readable instructions, click the link in the description below. Make sure that when you assemble the spigot, you tighten it by hand, but not too tight. If you tighten it too much, it could damage the spigot. What about spigot replacement? If your spigot breaks or starts leaking over time, you can order a replacement separately. There's the option to buy a spigot individually, or you can buy the replacement kit, which includes extra washers, a scouring pad, and more. Are there other spigot options? The standard spigot works perfect for the Berkey systems, but Berkey also has other spigot options that many customers find appealing. Berkey's stainless steel spigot will fit with all the stainless steel systems and make the Berkey look more unified. The water release of the stainless steel spigot functions as a side-to-side lever instead of up and down. Many love the way the spigot works and complements their system. The Berkey sight glass spigot is another option that many customers like because it allows you to see how much water you have left in the bottom chamber. A glass tube sits between the spigot and the system and lets you know when it's time to refill your Berkey. The final spigot option is the Vino Spigot. It's constructed of the same material as the standard spigot, but has a side-to-side lever that allows you to control the flow of water without holding the handle. The Vino Spigot works with any Berkey system. While small, the Berkey Spigot is obviously a very important part of Berkey water filters. Make sure you clean and install it correctly before use. With Berkey's 4 spigot options, it makes it easier to choose which one is best for you.